Can't find the Archive Title widget in Elementor? Learn the exact clicks to get it on your page in under 3 minutes. We'll start by editing your homepage, then walk through the menu options to locate the widget, and finally, unlock it with the upgrade prompt. To begin, open your homepage and edit it with Elementor. Now, click on the highlight to select it. Then, go ahead and click on Site. And finally, click on Archive Title. Click on Use Archive Title widget and dozens more pro features to extend your toolbox and build sites faster and better. Next, click on Upgrade Now. Finally, click on Upgrade Now again. You're all set. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.